Hey everyone, Dr. Frank here, and Ken is one of our patients at our office. He's done our lipo laser and Chirothin program. He did it back in August through September, and now has been doing our maintenance program for the last couple months. What was your initial results with the lipo laser program and the Chirothin, and then how has it been going doing our maintenance?
I started approximately August 1st, and the losing phase is about 6 weeks, and by mid-September I had lost 32 pounds. Very happy with that.
So now you've been doing every, couple of weeks with the lipo laser. How has that helped you on the back end of losing all that weight?
Well, the biggest thing is it's kept me focused on the whole program, and I really haven't let it slide. So I think it's the additional focus that has really helped.
I know that you had some great results this summer, and then we talked about doing the maintenance, so I'm glad that you've experienced where you've been able to keep the weight off since then. So the other thing that you were telling me about is you've seen a lot of change in your clothes. What were you just telling me about that earlier?
Well, before I started on this program, there were a number of pants that I could easily wear and comfortably wear without a belt. And now I need a belt to wear all of my pants, and I'm down to the last notch on my belts. My next stop after we're done here today is to start working on a new wardrobe.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing that with me.
You're welcome.
Now, if you're out there and you're thinking about losing, we can help you lose on the front end and then also help you keep it off on the back end. Especially with the holidays coming up, we want to help people maintain that weight loss so they don't have that rebound effect, especially in the holidays.
Highly recommended. Been very happy with the results.
Thank you, Ken. Appreciate it.
All right. Thank you.